we're done here. So the next step would be to now connect our agents. That's going to refine the data we just got from the API and make it easy to understand, and then send the email. So click on this plus. I'm going to AI nodes, the different AI nodes here, but our main focus is the agent. So look at the agents. Now, this is the prompts. Click on the prompts, define prompts. We'll add this prompt later. Remember, prompts are really what make AI agent great. A great prompt makes a good AI agent. A bad prompt makes a bad AI agent. We'll come over here later. Let's push this here. Good. As we saw in the introduction, an agent has to have three things: the brain, the tool, and the memory. The brain here is going to be the LLM. So we're going to have OpenAI. We're going to search for OpenAI model. Remember that initially we created an OpenAI account, a platform account, and copied the API key in the relevance model, the last model we just learned and discussed. So please copy that key and then click on here and paste in your own key, and then click on save. You're going to see the green success message, and then you're done. And you can select any GPT version you want, but I prefer using the 4.1 mini. It still gives good results. Okay, so when that is done, we now have to refine the prompt. So remember that the data we got from this HTTP request is in JSON format. It doesn't make any sense when you send via email, so we have to refine it. So we'll head over to this and the prompts. To save time, so you're going to have access to this AI job assistant prompt. This is a prompt that I've already written. You can just copy and paste, and I'll explain what this prompt does once we paste it. So I'll paste it and then click here to expand it. So what this prompt is telling the agent is that it should act like a data refinement assistant. You will receive job postings in JSON format from API. Your task is to extract and present them in a clean, structured job data list, and we give the formats and the example it should look like, and all of those things, right? And then so this is the JSON file to JSON to refine, which is from the API. We just got the data we got from here, and we'll just drag. So you can actually do that. So I can delete this, and you can drag yours here, right? But this will not work. Let's try it now and see. This will not work, and I'll tell you why. Fantastic. So no job data provided. So that is because if we paste just this JSON format, it's going to return an object. Again, I don't know, because this is a no code track, so I won't bore you with that, but it's okay that you probably have to know about the simple JSON terms and understand what JSON is. So that is why earlier when you click, we'd have to make it into a string. So we have to convert the data that's giving us into a string, which string basically means a text, something that can be read and not an object. That is why initially we had the JSON.stringify as the function or method that converts it into a string, which is what we have here. So I'll just remove this and paste this, right? So it is converting this into a string. And if we go back and execute this, we're going to see the difference in the data it's going to give us. All right, fantastic. So we have the data now. It's a little bit better. Right? So we'll test it and then we're going to refine it so that it gives more space on here. So that's good. We're good to go here. Again, we can still pin this. So it's easier for us to send the email. We can pin this. Okay.